You are running a small production or selling online made-to-order products. Your orders come in, you push them to production or send them to subcontractors, and then silence. Suddenly, nobody knows what's done, what's stuck, or what's late. Your customers keep asking, "Where's my order?" And you're spending time chasing your own team just to get an answer. You're trying to keep everything updated manually, but it's just not working out. Does this sound familiar? If so, the Apslo Board is for you. Board helps you visually manage orders on a Kanban-style production board. Each job becomes a card. Unlike traditional Kanban systems, a card in Apslo Board can appear in multiple columns at the same time. Cards activate automatically based on your workflow. They can move to the next stage after progress is recorded in the previous one, or stay active in several stages at once. Columns can represent machines, workstations, employees, or subcontractors, grouped by department. You can also share progress with your customers, showing updates by department. And employees can record progress from a desktop computer or an easy-to-use mobile app. Visit apslo.com/board to find out more.